As I walk through the city overrun by the left, I take a look at Tim Walz and realize he's so inept. Cause he's been scheming and frauding so long that even Melania thinks he's a big ding-dong. But I never crossed a lib who didn't deserve it. Now you get called out by Trump, I hope that it's worth it. You got my ICE agents stressing with your protesting, so please follow orders or they'll be arrested. I hate to power trip, but I gotta though. Got no paper, send you back to the land below. Fool, you the type of bee to come and drive an SUV over the police out of spite, then you crash into street lights. Them spending most them nights at a protest while they swear at ICE. Sometimes they pay a price at a protest while they swear at ICE. I must protect the nation and solve inflation, so I'm asking you to quit. Ain't got time for this shit, so we need to let ICE do their jobs now. Don't you have a CVS somewhere to rob now?